In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask images in Canva. Whether you're a graphic design novice or a seasoned expert, mastering the art of image masking can significantly enhance your creative projects. So let's dive straight into it and see how it's done. Imagine you've opened Canva, that versatile design tool that's perfect for creating everything from social media posts to marketing presentations. To begin our journey in mastering image masking, you'll want to start by clicking on the Elements tab. This is located on the left-hand side of the Canva interface. The Elements section is a treasure trove of creative resources, providing everything from shapes and stickers to frames and lines. Here we'll focus on accessing abstract frames, which will be the foundation of our image mask. With the Elements tab open, you'll need to type abstract frame in the handy search bar that appears. Frames are fantastic tools in Canva as they allow you to crop your images into specific shapes. So typing abstract frame will yield a selection of unique and creative frame options. Once your results are displayed, you should see a button that says See All. Make sure to click on it to expand your view and browse all available frames. This will give you a broader array of choices to find the perfect frame for your design. Once you've clicked See All, you'll have access to an entire gallery of frames. Here's a tip. Take your time to explore each frame option because each offers a different aesthetic style and can dramatically change the look of your project. After you've decided on the frame that fits your vision, simply click on it to select. With your chosen frame now on your design canvas, the next step is to bring in the image you want to mask. Head over to the Uploads tab, also located on the left. This is where you can upload images from your own device. Uploading is straightforward. You can either click to browse your files or drag and drop the image directly into the upload window. Once your image is uploaded, it appears in your list of uploads, making it easy to access for future projects. Now comes the fun part, image masking. Simply click on your image and just drag and drop it right into the frame you've chosen. As you release the image, you'll notice it automatically snaps to the frame boundaries, creating a beautifully masked image. Feel free to adjust the image within the frame by double clicking. This lets you reposition the image to your liking, so the focal point aligns perfectly with your design intent. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to mask images in Canva. Try playing around with different frames and images to unlock endless creative possibilities. Have fun creating, and see you in the next video.